welcome back to my channel. Today we are, as you can tell by the background, cooking. Someone made fun of me for constantly using air guns. Yeah. Anyways, we are cooking today and I'm making a Vietnamese child's nightmare. It is bitter melon soup. So first off, we have the star of this video, the bitter melon. Next is ground pork to go into the filling, black fungus, mung bean vermicelli noodles, garlic, onions, and green onion.
I don't wanna turn 25. Don't know what I'm doing with my life. Something tells me I should keep on trying. But giving up seems way too nice. Way too nice. All of my friends are doing things. Yeah, well I drive alone down empty streets. It's like I should be there by now. I can't see the road somehow. Well, how does my future play out? 'Cause I don't wanna let my mom down. I don't wanna turn 25. Don't know what I'm doing with my life.
My knife is so dull. I'm not even using the proper knife because I don't have my knife with me.
Too old to say I got time, and way too young to say I tried. But giving up seems way too nice, way too nice. Spending my time, spending my money all on a daydream. How do you make everyone listen saying the wrong things? Oh, daddy said it's time to move on, but I don't wanna drink the waterfall. It's like I should be there by now. I can't see the road somehow.
So that's how you make bitter melon soup. I usually forget to cook the rice until the very end, but I remembered. Get some meat. You wanna try some of the soup? So good. Do you guys like to put soup in your rice? Or do you always keep it separate? Because I love making my rice kind of mushy, so I'll always put soup in my rice.
I still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me? Never met your parents, not even your mother. But let's see where this leads. What should we do tonight? What if this breaks your little heart in mine? What should we do tonight? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me, running through evergreen. Pretty blue jeans and me, yeah, she's what I need. Still need to recover from another lover. You're my.
So I kind of failed. I think I was supposed to put the ring side down first and then put it on the back side. It got flat, or I overcooked it. Don't do that. Don't do that. Next time, okay?
Yeah, she's what I need.
Oh no!
I still need to recover from another lover.
This is my easy version of the Keg's mushroom Neptune. I'm missing the protein, which is the shrimp and the crab meat, imitation crab meat. Time to enjoy my mushroom Neptune. Yeah. So it's a little burnt because I'm using the air fryer. It's time to eat. I've been craving this, it's so good. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my little snack. See ya. I just got home from work and decided that I want stir-fried udon, so that's what we're making today. These are all the ingredients that I use. We have some water chestnut, some mushrooms, broccoli, green onions, yellow onion, garlic, frozen udon, and chicken. So what I'm going to do first is marinate the chicken while I prep everything else. Do you guys wash your chicken? Because I wash my chicken and I didn't even realize that that was an issue. But yes, I wash my chicken. I got these Asian knives. Like, this is a knife that my mom uses. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. I barely touched it. I don't know if you guys can see. If I just grabbed it any harder, I would have definitely cut myself there. Patting my chicken dry, if you couldn't tell what I was doing there. So these are the 4 sauces that I use as marinade for the chicken. I don't really know how much to put in, and I just put whatever I feel like. The sweet soy sauce, oyster sauce. Next up is fish sauce. This brand, the 3 Crab, is supposed to be one of the best fish sauce available. Just mix it all around. The veggies are usually different depending on what I have in my fridge. For the most part, I guess the only thing that's for sure are onions. Protein could be different, veggies could be different. If your knife is sharp, you won't tear up when you cut onions. I have good feelings about this wonderful knife of mine. The moment of truth. Ooh! Look at that! It's really sharp. I've learned something new. Usually I'll cut it like this, but I found out that you're supposed to cut it like this. So that's what I'm gonna do today.
A few moments later.
Okay, it did not pass the tear test. Oh. So next up is the frozen udon. I'm just gonna put it in the microwave to defrost it. Honestly, usually I don't have everything prepped out like this. I like to have water chestnuts for a little crunch because everything is kind of soft. It is officially dinner time. I have completed my meal. It looks so freaking good. I'm so excited. I usually don't plate my food this nicely. I just mix everything together and chuck it into a bowl, but oh, it looks so much better when you plate it like this. Like, wow. So good. I always cook with chicken thigh because chicken breast gets too dry. Broccoli. I didn't overcook the water chestnut this time. Yeah, everything is perfect. I did a good job. Anyways, I'm gonna finish the rest of my dinner. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy.